Hey guys, as you can see from my previous video, I bought this from Costco. It costs about 30 bucks. They also sell this online, and they also sell more expensive drones online, if you want to play. But this is a pretty awesome toy that works really well. It works with your cell phone and stuff. All you need to do is download the app and you control this thing. And it's relatively easy to fly. I brought it to the park right after I charged it up, and it was really fun. I got myself a red one because I didn't want to get lost in the grass. When I first played with it, it basically had so much wind it flew into the street. I had to basically pick it up, but it didn't break or anything, which is really cool. It's actually very sturdy. So it's pretty good for kids and stuff to experiment with drones and stuff. But you really do need to download the app in order to use that first person point of view camera, as well as to be able to control it through your smartphone and stuff like that. Overall, it's a very sleek design. The front part's with the two red blades, and it's pretty fun to fly. But you have to use a lot of patience and also stuff. You could, as you can see, you could just fly with your smartphone, which I do, for fun. And it's really neat because it's simple to fly, and you have to play around with it a bit. But it's more stable than one of the other ones that cost like $100 or more. This is actually about $100 online. I'll leave the link below again. But I plan to probably get a more advanced one. As you can see, I took some video of it flying, but it's really hard to take a video of something and control at the same time. So what I did was I provided you with the first person point of view camera. So this is taken right off of the drone in flight. So as I basically pull it up, basically there's no sound in this, by the way. So you can't record sound when you're recording it through the app. Basically it records from your cell phone. It doesn't have a mic on the drone. So long story short, it looks pretty grainy because it is. It's only 640 by 480 resolution, and it's pretty good to see where you're going. And when you record it, it just seems nice, but it's not really that detailed. So here I basically just use the camera just so you can see the detail difference and how well the lighting changes when it sees light and dark. It changes relatively quickly, but still there's a bit of a lag when it does get from a shade to a well-lit area. It just changes a bit, it irises a bit on the camera. But what I expect is a $30 toy that will basically get you into playing with more drones and more expensive drones. This is basically going to make me want to buy the $1,000 one or even the $300 one to save up for it for Christmas. So, but if you don't have 300 bucks, this is a perfectly awesome $30 one, or if you buy it online, it's roughly around $60 to $100 or whatever it is. But it's pretty good in terms of just for fun to fly a drone where you're seeing it in first person. I would say just buy it for fun. This is a really awesome toy, and it's perfect for Christmas or whatever. But at the same time, it is extremely addictive to play, and it's just really fun to play with. Anyways, guys, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button for more Costco finds or product reviews and stuff like that. I hope you enjoy this video, and see you next time. Have a good one. Keep on having fun. See you next time. Bye-bye. Take care.